Agitation Rag, dedicated to my mom and dad. The way it's written is this. And probably Artie Matthews was just trying to capture a bit of the excitement of what would happen when Robert Hampton played that theme and did some of the stuff that I did second. You know, so I wanted to show you what it ended up being published as. Again, some people would purchase it. That was the deal. You, of course, wanted to be the flashy player you could be, but when it came down to it, if you wanted to be immortalized, you had to write something other people would try and play, so they remember you. So, that's Robert Hampton. Let's stay with Artie Matthews. I'm going to do that.